Hey everybody, today's Excel video is going to be about how to summarize data very easily without using pivot tables. So maybe if you haven't used a lot of pivot tables and you're not comfortable, here's an alternative solution if you don't want to go into pivot tables just yet. But I'll have another video on the same set of data on how to use a pivot table with it. So to begin, let's just say I own a company and I'm selling, let's just say I'm selling blow dryers to hotels. And I have a bunch of salespeople, and I want to calculate the number of sales that each sales rep made throughout the week, so 5 days. So I have, in my data, I have each day, but each sales rep and the number of sales they made each day. But I want to summarize this into weekly data to see who's my most effective each week. So without using a pivot table, we can do it this way. For starters, to make this data a little harder, each sales rep didn't work every day. So I can't just copy these first 6 sales reps and make sure and just count if on these 6, because I have different sales reps on each day. So let's say I don't have Martin on the 20th, but I do have him on the 21st. So I need to catch that. So a quick way to do this is we're just going to copy all of our sales reps names. I'm going to paste them in a separate column. We're then going to head to our data ribbon, or if you're on Windows, it'll be, I think it's on the data ribbon as well. And all we're going to do is just remove duplicates. So what this does is it looks through every cell that you selected, and if there is an exact duplicate of that cell, it'll delete it, and it'll condense it down to only the number of unique cells you have. And so that's good in our case, since I need all of my sales reps. So I'm just going to click remove duplicates. Yep. So if you have more data selected, you have to specify which data you want to remove the duplicates from. But anyway, since I only have one, I just need to remove the duplicates. And here's my sales reps. I have 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. I have 8 sales reps. And now we can use that same technique. So if I now use a SUMIFS. So SUMIFS, I select my range. There, make sure you use absolute referencing because we're going to magic drag this down. My criteria range is that. And again, absolute reference it. My criteria is this guy. Then you close it off. I press enter and I just drag it down. So a lot of things in Excel work, but you don't know if they're actually correct. So I can see I could actually go manually and count if Samuel actually had 12 or 22 sales in the week, or I can just do a total check. It's very crucial for you to check a lot of your data in Excel because you're not totally sure that the function or the procedure that you created is working how you thought it would. So to do this, I guess one of the easiest way is to find the total of this. So I just sum these, make it look a little nice, and I do see that this is correct. However, if this data changes, I don't want to eyeball this ever. All I can do is set a Boolean expression. So all you do is select your total, and you select the total you're matching it with, and if it's true, and if it's right, it'll say true. So let's, actually no, I won't change it, but a good Excel worksheet, and I guess Excel, anything on Excel, to really make it credible, your spreadsheet, you have to make sure you have a lot of checks, because these checks make sure that it kind of uses both methods. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm counting for each, or I'm summing the total sales of each sales rep. And then because these have all the sales in the week, and these are all my salespeople, this total should equal this total, but I'm not using the same formula to calculate it. So if I'm finding the same number in 2 ways and I'm checking them together, if they're both equal to each other, then I'm almost certain that my data or my formula works how I want it to be. And so that's how you do it. That's how you can summarize some easy data into, I guess, a short and sweet summary. So I can see that Aaron is my top sales rep. If I really want to do this, I can use a rank function to really analyze this data. Rank. So I guess the rank is fairly easy. So rank, yep, rank. All right, so I'm just doing this number that reference that. I'm gonna absolutely reference that. There you go. And if I really want to do this, nope, you know what? I'm good. This actually looks really good. So you can see Aaron's my top salesman, Mariah's my second, and I have Martin and Michelle as my as tied for third. So there you go. There's some easy data analysis without using pivot tables. You can check out my next video. Hopefully it'll be one with pivot tables, as pivot tables really makes it, I guess, easier if you're more comfortable with it. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about Excel. Have any questions, put in the comments. Any feedback, they're welcome as well. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys later on my next tutorial. Thanks.